You are now watching Let's get it!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're making a little pump. Let's jump right into it, quick. Alright, you pick that one right there. You go, oh shit, go back. You pick this one right here. Even though you can't see it, just go for it, copy this. Skin tone. Go to hairstyle real quick. Pick that one, of course. The color, you can pick any color, because he always changes his hair color, so whatever. I put pink, you know. Okay, so we got that. Go down to eyebrows. And then you want to pick those, and then position, pause the video, get this, and then just continue. Eyes, want to pick those. Position, pause the video real quick, and then let's go to nose. Okay, got that one right there, and then you just put that. Go to mouth, pick that mouth right there, and pause the video, get that. And then that, and then let's go to facial hair. Of course, he has that mustache going on a little bit, so I'm gonna copy that. Position, pause the video, get that shit. And then the mole is replacing the tattoo on the face. So if you watch the series on my channel, you know that the moles are tattoos. He has like a little tat on the head, so you know that's the best we can do with tats. So why not? So yeah, you copy the position right there. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how you make a little pump. Alright. Thanks for watching, and
Let's get it!
oh, my bad. Hold on. Hold on, we're not we're not done yet. We're not done. You pick these right here, you go to position. Alright. You know he's always got the shades because you know he's always high. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome.